we are looking at how to pronounce this word, the name of this instrument from Hawaii. We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary that many get confused by as well, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So there are two different ways of pronouncing it. In Hawaiian, in the original language of the word, it is said as ukulele, ukulele, ukulele. Now in English it is generally accepted that it is pronounced as ukulele, ukulele, easy, ukulele or ukulele. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of words that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.